Exactly what they don't need anymore in Waverly, rain. It is coming down once again, showing you some of the damage. Doing a quick drive around one of the neighborhoods. Serious structural damage. Look at this, you can see right into the house. All of this from water. I've seen so many flipped over vehicles. Neighborhood looks about the same near Trace Creek in Waverly. Look at that. Insane. So many homes destroyed. And now right into the ditch, which is filling up again. Well, there's two vehicles right there. Look at that. This is from a creek that they tell me hardly flows normally. The road is torn up in front of us again. Look at this house. There's a tree, a car and a tree. Just insane amount of damage here in Waverly. These people are gonna need a lot of help. Hey, it's Steve in Waverly, Tennessee, showing you some of the damage this morning from the flash flood. Look at the power of this water and what it did to the vehicles here. This is on its side. Insane. These are power lines that are down. The chair lodged into the power line. A lot of broken glass around here as well. Then you go over here and there's even more vehicles. Some of them upside down. "12 inches plus in this area early this morning in Tennessee." Look at that. Across the street, upside down vehicle. This is a doctor's office over there, and they were, it's all destroyed inside. If you cross the culvert here, another upside down vehicle. And guys, the creek, it's over there. It's a little ways from here. That's how high all of this water came from the creek. Look at the power of what it did. Steel sign on the bridge here. Totally bent. And of course you have random things like this. Trailers turned over, portions of homes destroyed, portions of buildings wrapped around. People are gonna need your help, so we're gonna try to help them out. This is Waverly, Tennessee.
Hold on to me, Lakin. I said hold